Hello, I hope you're doing great. Today I want to give you an announcement about our GitHub repository. So for those who do not know, GitHub has a program named GitHub Sponsors. So GitHub Sponsors is basically a way for GitHub users to be able to monetize their creations for open source fans or open source projects consumers to be able to help the creators. Because remember, creating projects involves a lot of time from the authors, from the creators, not only on coding the systems, but also on learning the skills necessary to create those systems, right? So yeah, every open source creator has a right to monetize their content, and they can only do it with your help. So it happened that GitHub Sponsors was recently became available in our country. So if you go to my repository, you will now see that when you click this sponsor icon, you will be redirected to this sponsor page, and here you will be able to become a sponsor. So you will be able to do like $5 a month, and you will get a sponsor badge. For $25 a month, you will get access to Fair Play condos. For $50 a month, you will get access to Fair Play 2. And for $100 a month, you will get access to the auto-generated system, which is the basis for automatically create most of your projects, pretty much any project, using C# source generators. So basically with this one, you can create most of the projects you want with most of the code automatically, right? So that's the announcement I wanted to give you. I hope you have a great day, and please become a sponsor. Thank you very much and have a great day.